Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recognize any song on your iPhone. So this came out with iOS 14.2 or later, so make sure you have that update. And the way Apple did this is they purchased another app back in 2018 called Shazam, and Shazam has been around for a long time. It's a great music recognition and now it's built in the operating system of your iPhone. So let me show you how to set it up. All you have to do is open the settings app on your iPhone and then scroll down here where you see the section control center. Tap on it and there is a new control here. If you scroll all the way down, you will see this music recognition. Now let me show you how to access it. Now I'm just going to slide in from the top right corner, and as you can see, the Shazam icon, the music recognition icon is right on the very bottom now. Now if I select while this song is playing, it's going to actually listen and try to recognize that song. Now I have to put the mute on this part because I can't just use any song on a YouTube video, but let me just show you what it does when it does hear a song. And when it recognizes a song, it puts it up right on the top, so you can go ahead and click on it and it will open it up right inside of Shazam. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.